Dathliad Cymraeg yr wythnos, Welsh celebration of the week. Ar Mawrth y cyntaf, which is the 1st of March, yma yng Nghymru, here in Wales, we celebrate Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Sant, St David's Day. Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Sant. Sut ydych chi'n dathlu Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Sant? Sut ydych chi'n dathlu Dydd Gŵyl Dewi Sant? How do you celebrate St David's Day? Do you gwisgo cennin pedr? Gwisgo cennin pedr. A cennin pedr is a daffodil, and gwisgo is the verb to wear. So do you wear a daffodil? Gwisgo cennin pedr. Bwyta bwydydd Cymreig fel bara, brith neu gig owen. Bwyta bwydydd Cymreig fel bara, brith neu gig owen. Bara, brith, cig owen meaning Welsh lamb or lamb. Bwyta is our verb to eat. So do you eat Welsh produce food such as bara, brith or lamb? Gwylio gorymdaith Dydd Gŵyl Dewi. Gwylio gorymdaith Dydd Gŵyl Dewi. Gwylio is the verb to watch, and a gorymdaith is a parade. Down in Caerdydd in Cardiff annually, they host a St David's Day parade, which is a huge event down in the capital city. But perhaps you could have a look to see if there's a parade closer to you here in Gogledd Cymru in North Wales. Er enghraifft, for example, in Nimbych in Denbigh, we host a parade also, so in my hometown. So why don't you have a look to see if there's a St David's Day parade that you could go to Gwylio to watch with your teulu a ffrindiau, with your friends and family. Defnyddio eich Cymreig. Use your Welsh. Defnyddio eich Cymreig. So why don't you make it a challenge, a personal challenge on Mawrth the cyntaf, March the 1st, to start using your Welsh, whether that may be just diolch, bore da, hwyl fawr, sut ydych chi, key phrases, vocabulary that you can use to improve the service that we give to our Welsh-speaking patients. As a health board, Bwrdd Iechyd Betsy Cadwaladr, we will be hosting our Ceremony Dysgwyr Cymraeg y Flwyddyn, our Welsh Learner of the Year ceremony. I'd like to take this opportunity I longyfarch to congratulate llongyfarchiadau i'r 5 daeth i'r brig. So a huge congratulations to the top 5 candidates. And they are Anna Mackenzie, a doctor from Ysbyty Gwynedd, Charles Conway, a helpline operator, Wrexham, Manuela Nimacek, a psychotherapydd celf, an art psychotherapist in Hergest, Ysbyty Gwynedd, Mark Butler, swyddog gwybodaeth, an information officer, Ysbyty Melo Wrexham, and Michelle Matthews, a gweinyddydd and administrator yn yr adran radioleg yn Ysbyty Glan-Clwyd, in the radiology department of Ysbyty Glan-Clwyd. Llongyfarchiadau enfawr, a huge congratulations to you 5, to you 5, and you'll be going head to head with interviews on Tuesday afternoon, so pnawn dydd Mawrth, before being announced the enillydd, the winner, yn y nos in the evening. To find out who the enillydd is, to find out who the winner will be, please have a look at our social media pages and our accounts, and also it'll be shared on the in the all user message ar ddydd Gwener, so the Friday all user message. Dydd Gŵyl Dewi, hapus I chi gyd. A happy St David's Day to you all.